Welcome back. It's 8 minutes to 3 o'clock now. Former Mozambique's finance minister Manuel Chang is still being held in South Africa. He's been in custody since December 2018. He was due to be sent back home before the High Court in Johannesburg halted the extradition. Chang is accused of corruption to the value of $2 billion, of course, in hidden debt. Let's discuss this now with international law expert, Professor Andre Thomashausen. Prof, good afternoon. I saw your opinion piece the other day arguing that Manuel Chang cannot be extradited to Mozambique in terms of the SADC extradition protocol. We understand, of course, that tomorrow the Johannesburg High Court may pronounce on its ruling after that urgent application by the group of Mozambican anti-corruption civil society views. So you saying, in terms of even the regional body, he cannot be extradited back to Mozambique?
Exactly. There's a very tragic lost in translation issue here. Our Department of Justice and Minister Lamola were told by the Mozambicans that Chang was an accused person. And they relied on a translation produced in Maputo, obviously by somebody not very competent, or maybe somebody not acting in good faith, because the legal term in the Mozambican law of arguido does not mean accused. The term accused means acusado, and everybody knows this. And the SADC protocol and any extradition law on this planet only allows for the extradition of an accused person. You can't just extradite people that are thought as witnesses or as suspects, because then we would be extraditing thousands of people.
And he still enjoys some immunity because of his previous status. Therefore, if he's extradited to Mozambique and he's not accused, the chances are slim that he may face justice there.
He no longer has immunity. He used to have immunity, and that stopped the first attempt to extradite him to Mozambique, also based on a discovery in the media. But now he no longer has immunity, but he does have, he is bound to secrecy on anything that happened while he was a minister in the Council of Ministers, according to a special law in Mozambique. So he can simply say in court, I'm not allowed to talk about these things. So one really wonders, why is Mozambique so adamant to have him there when he's not accused in not a single court case? The current court case that's ongoing has asked him to appear as a witness and nothing else. So the original extradition request by the United States, where he is an indicted and accused person, that still stands. And if we don't respect it, if we don't comply with it, we would be in breach of our extradition treaty with the USA. And I really wonder if that is what we should be doing, just to be doing maybe a favor to some old struggle friends in Mozambique.
We're going to have to wait and see what the Johannesburg High Court will decide tomorrow. Thank you very much for this brief chat, Prof. We will talk to you again, I'm sure, after the court has made its ruling whether or not Mr. Chang will be extradited to the United States. Thank you very much. That's Dr. Andre Thomashausen. He is a professor of international law in UNISA. And this is where we end the Tuesday edition of the Midday View here on eNCA DSTV channel 403.